In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if WhatsApp microphone not working while phone call. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you can try is just restart your iPhone device, because WhatsApp in some cases may be glitching or bugging, and to prevent that situation, just press at the same time add power and volume up button until this option will come up, and then just drag the slider to the right to turn your device off, then wait for some time up to 20 or 30 seconds, and then hold down power button and turn your device on. In some cases it may help you to fix that problem. If for some reason that problem wasn't fixed by restarting your device, all you have to do is open up your settings and then try another way how you can solve that problem. So just scroll down until you find privacy and security, and here tap add microphone. Now there all you have to do is find WhatsApp and check if WhatsApp has permission to access to microphone on your device. So this switcher has to be enabled. If it's disabled, just tap on it twice to enable it. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.